Alright, so we are going to talk more about money. I would be presenting this on the smartboard if that was available, but instead I am using this screen recording to show you how it will work. Alright, so here is multiple pictures of some coins. Who thinks they know what this one is? This is the front, this is the back. What is that coin called? So I would have the students come up to the board and grab the eraser to reveal the name. That's the penny. And we'd go so on through all the coins. Does anyone know the name of this coin? Have a student come up and erase to reveal. That's the nickel, worth 5 cents. And so forth. This next page has an activity. Hopefully it will load. So here I will take volunteers and have them choose the written value. So let's start with 3/4. We put that right in the yellow flower. What does 3/4 look like in numbers? 75 cents. Maybe I'll have the next student try the money first. That is 10 cents. Or 2 dimes. 2 nickels. So let's do 2 dimes. 2 dimes is 20 cents. So with this activity, they have to be able to add the dollar amounts with the written value. So 1 penny, what does that look like? That's how it's written. $1, and then a $half. And that's the activity. My next page is a little bit more complex. I talked about this before when I presented that I'd probably have like some worksheets between this page and that last activity just to kind of get them more ready for this. So I'd probably pause the whiteboard or insert a blank page. I think another classmate talked about that. But this one is just like the last erase reveal. So have volunteer students come up and decide how many coins there are, the value. So let's say they pick this one, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 61. So they'd say 61 cents. Then let's see if they're right. Yay! We'll go through that to all of these. It's a harder one with the dollar. So dollar, 25, 35, 45, 50, 51. $1.51. Let's see if I'm right. Alright, and just to wrap it all up, today we worked on counting money. What is the name of the smallest coin in size worth 10 cents? And I have it written out as another visual. And then let's see what it is. A dime with another visual. And that is it.